If you want unlimited token with Claude Code, then this guide is for you. We're going to use LM Studio. We saw in the video before how we can install it and run it locally. And for our model, for our testing, we're going to use Gwen 3.5, the new model of Gwen, the 9 billion. We need a big context of 25,000 minimum for Claude Code, so it can work. The model is already loading. We see here a developer. It must be status running. If not, enabled it. Okay, in server settings we can see if we're gonna use it in a other machine, so then it must serve on local network. In this case, it's in the same machine. The model name, we're gonna need it. So copy it for later. Okay, we start here at our command line. And on the right, we see here the LM Studio already running, ready to serve. And we need 3 commands. I'm going to write them down. This is the first one that tells Claude Code where he's going to find his AI. The second one, and the Claude with the parameter model and the model that we copied before. You see already it's asking, it's going to fire up if you write hi. And LM Studio is working and calculating our tokens. Okay, and here we're gonna make an easy example. We're gonna create a BAT file that just records the date and time. In the next tutorial, we're gonna use a lot more of coding and make small projects and see if it's worth if we run it in a GPU. It's firing up. Don't try it on the CPU, it's not worth. It's too slow, so you must have a GPU. Okay, it's calculating. It's already written the BAT file. And it asks if it's okay. And it writes our BAT file. And this already. It created the log timer point BAT. That writes the date and time like we ask it, the log txt. Okay. And here we can make this progress permanent. So we can create a BAT file, cl.bat, and write this 4 lines. And we copy this BAT file in our path that we saw before in our video of installation of Claude. Here you see the Claude point exe. And if we copy it there, the only thing we need to do if we want to run it with our local AI is to write cl. And it opens it automatically and starts the local AI that we have selected. Stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna use the 30 billion Gwen and write some more complex coding tasks. So we see if it's worth it if we code locally. And we compare it with Claude Code subscription, and we see what GPU we need. So it's usable.